Hey guys, welcome to Ace of Spades again. I'm playing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be quiet. Oh no, oh no. Jump. This. I'm not in the zone. Yep, totally not. I think I just hit that guy. And I did. So yeah. Boom, headshot. Boom. Just see, you wanna hide in the tree? Just as you get for hiding in a tree, you die. Not by me, but someone else, but you still die. Yeah. Need heal. You cannot find me. Because I'm sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky, sneak. Oh, fudge. Oh, shush. Thank you, person that don't care about. You're shooting. What's that to you? Shout. Oh, better one, better one. Can't kill me. Gun the tree. Seriously, someone stole my kill. Oh, it's that guy, but he's just taking one for the team. Do. Just don't. Just don't. Well, if your friend's gonna die, and you know that. Why am I still alive? You have almost a good class on me. Okay, that one hit me. That one hit me. It didn't direct shot me. I forgot when you bright colored can't kill them. So it makes them invincible. Oh, I'm the top of the leaderboard with 4,100 kills, even in the other team. I don't know how, but it is happening. So wait, come on. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Oh, you got the tree. They're gonna be using short range. I'll let you leave. 2 seconds. After that, oh, you can't even reach your health kit. You couldn't reach your health kit. They have a big ditch. Then I'm gonna invade. As long as I can get there. See, our base is not even touched. Not even touched at the back. That might be the other side. It's not even touched. See? Not one bit. The base is not touched. Just boom. Whoosh. Okay. Yup. Yup. Exactly. Have friends. I didn't get a distraction. I'm so close to block party. I don't know what that is. Maybe I have to place blocks, delete blocks. Fight, huh? Fight, huh? Fight. Apparently you don't want to fight. Okay, this is the only time I've never been minor ever before, and he's dead, so I don't care. Okay. I've never been minor. I've once, but not a lot. Come on, he shot you. The guy died. 4 damage. I wish you like you have to finish him off. I'm supposed to get damage on that guy. You. That's all the safe our team. Distraction. Is our team. Yes, it is. Shit. If you don't die by me, you're lucky. Come on! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm raging. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Do this. I'm gonna get on the blackness. Come on, I'm standing still. Great. Still on the top of the leaderboard. Don't expect to mention actually there. Oh, this is a what? Oh, Dragon Island. Dragon Island it is. Oh, oh my gosh, the green team they all got the same award. And then Zero Boston. Seriously, you all got the same award. You're not Blake. You know what I mean? It's only him. Blue team, but male. Yeah. Blue team. There we go. There we go. There we go. It is maximum down. This is the place where I run rage mode outside solar health a code match touch a mini enemy of the marksman. Oh shoot, oh shoot, you can't touch me, you can't touch me, you can't touch me. I have a friend here. You can't touch me. None of you can touch me. Ow. You can't touch me. Need help. Why isn't anybody trying to come to help me? Why isn't there anybody here to help me? I'm fighting everybody by myself. Not by myself, there's just one guy, so I'm at the top of the leaderboard again with 500 kills. I mean, not kills, 500 kills, no way, with 500 score. They get more score. Oh, they're done doing the legendary. Watch out! Watch out! I got him. I'm trying to snipe my friends. I can't let that happen. Pay back, you son of a... Oh. You're the guy, she's not me. It's the guy doesn't see me. Fight. Ah, shoot. He had more health than me. And I didn't shoot him. So yeah, my excuse. So the top of the leaderboard with 900 kills. What do you say kill? 900 score. You remember that score. What happens if I do this? Oh yes. Shh. Oh, I got him, I got him. Now I need the health. Definitely need the health. I'm at 20 health. Seriously, this is the main reason why I don't like to have these stuff. Cause they're mean to the other team. Not trying to help the other team, but like, it's bad. Just bad. I know the other team did it. Can't do anything with it. Don't do it. I was so quiet. I was doing like this. That's it. I just can't stand it. This is why I hate it. People can just walk into a base. And I'm gonna cut it off one way or another.
Let's take him down.
Sure, hi. No one. I mean, no one. This is my school and only I mess with it. You know that, then please don't shout it out. See? Now that is a skilly fishy work. I really need this help. I don't know where to get it. See nothing. Oh my gosh, they see something. They see something. Yeah. Hello. You wanna fight? Fight you good. Ha. So I got 250 points from that. And I can do the math. Cause simply simple. The place I call my home. Home. The place I call my home. Nice, nice. Very nice snipe. Very nice. How is... this doesn't fit the cut. Go ahead, base. Place I call my home. Let's go, let's do this. Sniping our cops. The place I call my home. At least it's to avoid them getting the kill. Oh my god. I just 3 kills away from us. 3 kills. Wow, people spring massively. I don't want to be first in the leaderboard. Why do you think I'm not trying? I think I suck. Because I don't try. Let me see what I can make this jump. Just kidding, I want to try to do that jump because I know that jump is possible because I did it. What? Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh my gosh, it's just massacres. Massacre of them everywhere. Yes it is, yes it is. Okay. Yeah, this is the end of this episode. See you later.